Hey guys, welcome to our video on how to make rice pudding in the Ninja Foodi. Hi guys, welcome back to Samantha's kitchen. Today we're going to be making rice pudding in the Ninja Foodi. So I've got here all of the ingredients you'll need. I've got pudding rice here, also known as short grain rice. I've got condensed milk, double cream, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, and full fat milk, as well as salt. So these are all of the ingredients you'll need, and we'll show you what to do with them now. Okay, so first you want to pour your rice straight into the Ninja Foodi. And then you want to pour boiling hot water in there. Okay, like so. And we are going to be pressure cooking this rice in the Ninja Foodi. You want to give it a slight stir just to make sure it's all even there in the Ninja Foodi pot. Okay, so we're going to be pressure cooking this rice in the Ninja Foodi. So you want to turn on your Ninja Foodi there, slide it over. So we're going to pressure cook for 10 minutes on high, and you want it to be quick release, and then we're just going to start it like so. Okay guys, so our rice has just finished cooking, so let's have a look. And this is what the rice looks like when it's finished. So as you can see, it's lovely, fluffy rice. It's already looking soft and creamy. So we're just going to add in our ingredients. So the first thing you want to add in is your full fat milk. You just want to stir that full fat milk around with the rice there. And as we're stirring and adding in the rest of the ingredients here, on the Ninja Foodi, we are just going to put it on saute just to cook everything. So we're going to not keep it on high. We're going to number 2. We're going to have that one too, saute. Okay, we're just going to put in a pinch of salt. Our cinnamon here. Our nutmeg. Our vanilla. Our double cream. And our condensed milk. Alright, as that is cooking, we're going to mix everything all together, guys. So as you can see, all of the flavor of the spices mixing in, making this rice pudding extremely creamy, extremely flavorful. Honestly guys, it's just gonna melt in your mouth. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've been sautéing this for about 8 minutes, just over 8 minutes. And I've been continuously mixing, and this is what it looks like. So it is finished, and we're just gonna share it out and try some of this rice pudding. As you can see, it is extremely creamy, guys. It's extremely creamy. This portion size that we've made, you know, can serve a whole family. So we're just gonna put some in the bowl there. And look at it guys, in the bowl. It's extremely creamy, lovely rice pudding. So you can have this with jam, you can have this with chocolate, Nutella, you can put banana in there, raspberry, strawberries, any type of fruit you want. So we'll have a taste. Yeah guys, this rice pudding, you definitely need to try it. As I said, full of flavor. It's not too sweet. It's, you know, all of the nutmeg, the vanilla, the cinnamon, you can taste all of it, and it just melts in your mouth, guys. So thank you so much for watching our rice pudding recipe. We hope you try it at home, especially if you have a Ninja Foodi.